welcome back to the AWS IAM series. So, I am Anita and this is episode 6. Today, I will show you how to let an EC2 instance access S3 securely without using any access keys but an IAM role. So, let's take a company called Your Little Shop. So, at this company, a developer want to use an EC2 machine which runs a script to read files from an S3 bucket. So as he and his company follows a security first culture approach in all their work, they don't want to store the credentials like access keys on their EC2 machines. So they would like to utilize an IAM role to securely grant the EC2 instance to the correct permissions. So this is our goal. So let's create an EC2 instance that access S3 bucket without using any access keys. So for that, let's go and create an S3 bucket. I'm working on US East machine. So this, let's give a bucket name. It's going to be the company name, which is Your Little Shop. For now, block all access, all public access, bucket versioning, everything. Let's try to create a bucket. Okay, so this is our bucket. Let me try to include something. Okay, let's add a file, go to download. Excuse me, give me a second. Here is the albatross. Upload it. Done. Here you can see there is a file in this. So the next step is going to be like create an IAM role. Go to IAM, create a role. Let's create a role. So the trusted account is going to be the AWS service itself. So the use cases is EC2. So here we are trying to give S3 read-only access. So search for S3 read-only access. So when you try to click this plus, it shows what are the permissions I have. You can see it's get list describe and then S3 object lambda. If we are utilizing lambda, it would be good. So the next one is going to be like a role name. Let's try to give this one. This is good. So right now we have created a role. So now let's go and create an EC2 machine. EC2 instance, launch instance. So this is going to be, give some name. So I'm going to give S3 test instance. It's going to be Amazon Linux, and then currently I'm using my account as free tier. That's why I'm going with this itself. Good, this sounds good. Instant type T2 micro is good. For keeper, I do not, oh, proceed without keeper. Let's create a keeper and save it over. Okay, done. For networks, for network settings, give it a default network settings. Is there any existing sub? Okay, let's give it default. Okay, so instead of role, for EC2 mention, they will call it as IAM instance profile. Here you can see our the EC2 S3 read only role. Click this one. I think we are good. The one thing I want to see is under VPC what we have did. For a public IP address, it has to be auto enabled. It has to be enabled. Okay, this sounds good. Let's go and create an EC2 instance. Okay, let's give it like few seconds. It will be start working on. Right now the instance state is pending. Few more seconds. Currently it started running. Let's connect now. Connect using a public IP. Okay, connect. Okay, let's try with ls. Here you can see we do not have anything right now in this EC2 machine, that's why it's empty. So let's connect with the AWS S3 and see what's in that file. So S3. Okay, here you can see this is the bucket name we have created over here. It's same as over your little shop 0711. It's the same. Let's see what's inside our bucket. So for this S3 ls S3 colon and our bucket name. Let's click it. Here you can see this is the file we have uploaded, which is short-tailed albatross. Here you can see it. So this works because the EC2 instance uses the IAM roles temporary credentials, which are automatically rotated and managed by AWS. That's it, guys. You are now securely given an EC2 machine access to S3 without any access keys and no hard coding. And this is much safer as well. If you are learning something new today, hit like and subscribe. In the next episode, we will explore more flavors of IAM.